In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Venmo account fast with this step-by-step guide. Venmo is a popular way to easily send and receive money right from your smartphone. To get started, let's head over to Venmo.com using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the website, locate and click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. You'll then be redirected to a new page, but don't worry if you don't have an account yet because we're going to set one up. On the new page, you'll find an option to sign up right next to the login fields. Click on that. Now you'll be presented with a couple of options, and for most individuals, selecting personal will be the best choice since this is generally used for personal transactions. Click on personal to proceed. After that, you'll see a get started button. Click on it, and Venmo will guide you to enter your mobile number, because they use this for verification purposes. Venmo will send you a verification code via SMS, so have your phone handy, and when you receive the 6-digit code, enter it into the provided field on the website. This step is critical as it's a part of their security process to ensure your account is linked to your phone. Once your account is verified, you'll need to provide some basic information about yourself, including your name, email address, a secure password, and of course, the phone number you just verified. Make sure to choose a password that's strong yet memorable, incorporating a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. After entering your personal details, you'll move on to adding a payment method. Venmo supports several options here, including linking your bank account, debit card, or even credit card. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the prompts to enter the necessary details. Remember, linking a bank directly often allows for fee-free transactions when sending money. Finally, it's time to set up your profile. You'll be able to add a profile picture and a username. While a profile picture is optional, it can help friends and family recognize you on the platform. As for the username, make it something easy and recognizable, perhaps a combination of your name or a unique handle you often use. And there you have it, all set to start using Venmo to send and receive money from people near and far. With your account now configured, you can start exploring the features Venmo offers, like splitting bills, sending emojis or messages with your transactions, and more. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in setting up your Venmo account quickly and efficiently.